Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 7i, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to be using settings as an example for this. There we go. And once it's open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down together. So both of those at the same time. Get the sound, and also this image appears on the side for a brief moment. Giving you a couple options that you can do. So sliding it to the top will be the share option, and sliding it to the bottom will allow you to capture a scrollable screenshot, meaning that, let me just do that again, meaning that if you slide it down, it will start scrolling down. Now this will go as low as the page can go, so in terms of the settings, basically it does have an end, but if you decided to capture it on something like an Instagram feed or something like that, yeah, you might be scrolling for a while there. Now, once you do that, you can stop the scroll by just touching on the screen. As you can see, it's not scrolling anymore. And from there, you can also just drag it yourself down as far and more precisely as you want. Now, once you're done scrolling down, how far down you want it to go, click on the Done button, and this will save it. And now, if we go to the photo gallery application, we should see our two screenshots over here. So we have the normal one and then the scrollable one. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.